Domo AI is the most powerful AI anime generator right now. This tool allows you to turn anime images into animations. You can copy your movements on a video to an anime character, and you can do video to video stuff and so much more. And in this video I will show you how to use this amazing product and how to maximize your AI outputs and what kind of footage you should use to get the best results. If you want to try it for free, make sure to check the link in the description of the video. Let us kick things off with the Domo AI image to animation feature. So once you have signed up, click on the Animate tab and then drag and drop an input image into the AI. For example, here is an image that I used. And at this point, you could already click Generate, but you can also tweak the settings. For example, you can change the duration from 3 seconds to, for example, 5 to 10 seconds. And also you can choose a different anime model. And you can also give it a prompt if you want to specify what kinds of movements you want to see in the video. For instance, I used a custom prompt on this. And if you want to copy paste the prompt on your use case, make sure to check the description of the video because you will find the prompts that I used in this one there as well. Nonetheless, I hit generate and after about 5 minutes of waiting, here is the result. I mean, isn't that amazing? However, this was just a 5-second clip. So let's actually try another one and let's make it a bit longer with a different image. So here is the second input image and here is the result that I got back. I mean, come on, isn't that impressive? So it's just a base image and now all of a sudden there is like a 10-second clip where everything is moving around like it was professionally generated or created rather. Then as the next step, I moved on to the video to video generator. This feature allows you to drag and drop a video into Domo AI and it will use AI to turn that video into anime style clip. For instance, here is a random clip that I found online where there is this person talking to a phone. I thought that it would be a cool idea to turn this clip into anime and other cool animation styles. All you need to do is just drag and drop the video into the view and then choose the anime style and then hit generate. There are plenty of styles to choose from, but I chose the illustration V1.2 as the first step. Then once you're ready, just hit generate. And after about 10 minutes of waiting, here is the AI generated clip of the original video. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? And also the character remains pretty consistent. The only thing I noticed is that the background changes a bit and also there are some funky things going on with the person's fingers, but this is getting pretty close. Nonetheless, I liked it so much that I had to give a shot to these other anime styles. For example, here is another 5-second clip that I made of this person talking to a phone with the Anime V5.1 model. And here's another clip that I created using the illustration V9 model. And before you use this feature, make sure that your footage is stable and prefer half body shots, like for example the person you saw talking to a phone. So for instance, if you just drag and drop a random clip where there's a lot of shakiness, a lot of movement, and lots of random things going on, the AI is not going to give you that great results. For example, I wanted to turn this video of myself swimming in a lake into anime, but with this one the tool failed miserably because of the things that I just mentioned. So use stable and static footage with a video to video generator. Then as the next step, I tried the text to image model. And as the name suggests, this one allows you to create anime style images from simple text inputs. Just to make it a bit fun, let's actually compare the Domo AI image generator results with the ChatGPT results. So first, I just told Domo AI to create an image of anime. Very descriptive, huh? And it actually created a bunch of images, and here's the one that I liked the most. That's impressive. But now let's actually try this on ChatGPT. So I told ChatGPT as well to create an image of anime, and here's what it gave me. And also this is pretty cool. I think this is almost just as good as the one that I got from Domo AI, but after running a couple of tests, I figured out that okay, Domo AI specializes in anime and their anime image generator is just simply a lot better than the ChatGPT, which is more like a generic image generator. Then I also wanted to try out the character move feature. So this allows you to shoot a video, for example, of yourself and then translate that video onto your anime character and that character will do your movements. For example, here is a short dance clip that I found online. Now I would like to add those dope movements on my Animate character. So to do this, all you need to do is choose the move feature and then drag and drop the video onto the left hand side and the Animate character on the right hand side, and then just wait. After about 8 minutes of waiting, here is the result that I got back. And to be fair, that's not quite what I anticipated. But once again, I think that there were a bit too many things going on in that initial clip. So let's see if I give it a simpler input video, for example, a person that is walking in slow motion. And once again, I dragged and dropped the video on the left-hand side and the anime character on the right-hand side. And after about 10 minutes of waiting, here is the result. That is so much closer to what I wanted from it, and it's almost perfect. But to be honest, the character consistency seems to break a bit. So if you take a look at the clothing and the hands, it is just a bit out of place from time to time. However, I think that this is pretty close already. And if you want to find better examples, that is, if you want to learn how to optimize your footage, how to take the right kinds of videos and shots for this to work the best, make sure to check the description, because there I have also left a link to the community showcase page. Then one thing you also need to know about Domo AI is that these models and these features that I just showed you are just the tip of the iceberg, because there is this app library where they're adding new apps all the time. And for example, there you can find solutions such as an image upscaler. And for example, what this means is that it takes an input image that is low in resolution or small, and it will then spit out a high resolution image for you in just a matter of a minute or two. For example, here is an anime character, but the image quality isn't that good. And I asked the AI to convert this into a higher resolution, and here's what I got back after 2 minutes. So that's pretty incredible. And obviously there are more applications as well, so you can do lip syncing, you can do voice cloning, you can do all these cool little 3D animations and stuff like that. But I'm not going to individually review each and every single one of these applications, because I think I just showed you the most important things with this application.